Let's see 14 question of the same exercise. Here we have to find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from the point -1 3 to the line 3x minus 4y minus 16. So first we will draw this line. Suppose this line is L. It's the equation is given 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. And we have to find the foot of the perpendicular, coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. So we will draw the perpendicular first. We have to find this coordinates of this point. Suppose this perpendicular is PQ. Okay, so the this perpendicular is drawn from the given point -1 3, means the coordinates of this point is given -1 3. And we have to find this point. Okay, so we know that this equation is given here and this PQ is perpendicular on the given equation, which means there's this slope of this line and slope of this line's product will be -1. So by the given line, first we will find the slope of the given line. So let us convert in the y equal to mx plus c, so we'll get m1. Okay, so it is 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0 is given. So 4y will shift this side, so 3x minus 16 equal to 4y, which means y will be equal to 3 upon 4 minus 6 into x minus 16 upon 4. We will divide by 4. So if we will compare y equal to mx plus c, so m will be 3 by 4. Okay, so m1 we will represent by m1. M1 will be what? 3 by 4. So obviously m1 into m. So we write here slope of a perpendicular PQ will be m2. That will be m2 equal to, this will be -1 upon m1, which means -1 upon 3 by 4. That will be -4 by 3. So slope of the given perpendicular we got, the point is given slope, so we can apply the point slope form. So we will find the equation of this point, this line PQ. So equation of the PQ will be y minus y1, or slope of a perpendicular also we can. Equation of a perpendicular PQ will be y minus y1 equal to m2 into x minus x1. So here x1 y1 will be this. Okay, so y minus y1 will be 3 equal to m2 will be -4 upon 3 and x minus x1 will be -1. So minus minus it will become +1. So we can cross multiply here. 3y minus 3 3s are 9 equal to -4x minus 4, which means you can write it this both the value you can shift this side. So 4x will become positive plus 3y minus 9 plus 4 equal to 0. That will be 4x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Now this equation, this will be equation 2. This is equation 1. You can simplify both the equation and we can find this point, intersecting point. This is the intersecting point of the both the line. So you can apply any method, elimination method we will apply here. So you can write here 3x minus 4y, solve equation 1 and 2 for x and y. So 3x minus 4y equal to 16 we can write, and this will be 4x plus 3y equal to 5 we can write. Here we will multiply by 3, 3 is there, so we will multiply by 4, or we can multiply whole equation by 3. Here plus minus is given, so we will multiply here by 3, we will eliminate y, and here we will multiply by 4. So it will be 3 3s are 9x. Now minus 4 3s are 12y equal to 16 3 ja 48. And here 4 4 ja 16x plus 4 3 ja 12y equal to 4 5 ja 20. Now we can add, so this will be plus and minus will be cancelled, which means 9 plus 16 it will be 25x equal to this we will add, so it will be 8 68. So x will be x equal to x we will get here x equal to 68 upon 25. That x you can substitute in any of the equation 1 only we will use, so we can find the y. So 3 in from equation 1, so 3 into 68 upon 25 minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. So minus 4y we will make it positive, so we will shift this side. It will be 3 8s are 24, 4 carry out 2, 3 6 are 18 plus 2 20 upon 25 minus 16 equal to 4y. So we can cross multiply, we can take LCM here, 25 will be LCM. 204 minus 16 5s are 80, 0 carry out 8, 16 2s are 32 plus 8 40. So we will get here 4y equal to this. So y will be y equal to, or 4y equal to what will get? Negative value, minus 10 minus 4, this is bigger, so 10 minus 4 it will be 6, this will be 9 minus 0 9, and this is 3 minus 2 it will be 1 upon 25, 196 upon 21. So we will divide by 4, so y will be what? 196 minus 196 upon 4 into 25. So it is divisible by 4. So 4 4 is 16. Remainder will be 3 6 36, 4 9 is 36, which means y will become minus 49 upon 25. So the foot of the perpendicular will be x is 68 upon 25 and y we got minus 49 upon 25. Okay. Let us see 15th question. Here the perpendicular from the origin to the line y equal to mx plus c meets it at the point minus 1 2. Find the value of m and c. So which means we have to, there is given the perpendicular from the origin to the line this. Okay, this y equal to mx plus c. So this is the, suppose this is the origin and this is line. Okay, we have to draw the perpendicular from this origin, or we can draw like that. This is origin, this is a line which is, this is perpendicular which is perpendicular on the given line y equal to mx plus c, and this is origin, so 0 0 we can write, and this perpendicular meets to the given line at the point minus 1 2. Okay, minus 1 2. Okay, now these 2 points are given, so we can find the slope of this perpendicular. It will be m1. Suppose we can represent by O and this is P. So slope of a perpendicular OP, that is m1 equal to y2 minus 1. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. So y2 minus y1 means 2 minus, or we can write y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That will be 2 minus 0 upon minus 1 minus 0, which will be m1 will be minus 2. 2 upon minus 1, which means it will be minus 2. Okay, so we got m1, so m2 will be m1, since m1, So slope of the given line that will be m, that is m. Okay, so slope of a given line will be m, will be minus 1 upon m1, which means m equal to minus 1 upon minus 2. So minus minus cancel, so it will be m equal to 1 upon 2. M we got. Now the that point, the c also we have to find. So if slope we have, slope of the line we have, and this is passing through minus 1 2, this line is also passing through this point. So point slope form we can use and we can find the equation of this line. Okay, so y minus y1 will be minus 1, so minus minus plus 1 equal to equation of a given line equal to y minus y1 equal to m will be 1 upon 2 x minus x1, so x minus x1 will be y minus 2, we will write here, y1 will be 2. Okay, 1 upon 2, slope will be 1 upon 2, x minus minus it will become plus 1, which means we can cross multiply here. 2y minus 2 2s are 4 equal to x plus 1. So 2y equal to x plus 1 plus 4, which means 2y equal to x plus 5. So y equal to 1 upon 2 x plus 5 by 2. We will divide by 2. So if we will compare with this line y equal to mx plus c, so m will be 1 upon 2 and c will be 5 by 2. M will be 1 upon 2 and c will be 5 by 2. This will be